Hi everyone! Overtime here at PRS. This 5-door Jimny, the client wants a suspension lift. So we're using the Oldman Emo Nitro Charger Plus suspension. And also, the client, last request, he want to add more horn, louder. Because the previous, we installed only one set PIAA. And he wants to add one more set. And also, we replaced the stock fog lamp to LED. Here. Same color as the headlight. Also, we installed top speed throttle controller on this unit. And Hypotech matting. This is the top speed. And interior LED lights. Also, seat cover. Perfect fit always. The owner of this one loves pink very much. And also, we installed like the Exea product, cell phone holder, door pocket, and also the assist grip holder. This one, the assist grip hold pocket. Exea defogger cover also. And also, dirt drive tailgate shocks. The purpose of these shocks, as you can see, the opening of the door, this is already 90 degrees. Because the original door's opener is around 70 degrees. And now it's 90 degrees. Big difference. Also, we installed the BF Supreme Plus Series tint on this unit. For the rims and tires on this unit, we're using the VLF wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich KO2 tires. This is the suspension, the Oldman shocks and coils. You can also install the Panhard, optional, if you like. See the stands of the unit from the side, on this side. This is the Hyper Black color wheels. Here from the side. And also, we have here a 3-door Jimny. For the suspension of this unit, the client chooses the full Jaos suspension lift with TI coil spring, caster bushing, extended brake hose, and front and rear Panhard. Back. Adjustable panhard. This is the TI coil spring, silver, and adjustable joust shocks. Also, we installed top speed throttle controller on this unit also. And for the rims and tires on this unit, the client chooses this is the A-Lab J. But this is the limited edition, limited release. This is collaboration with Aim Gain. As you can see, the difference is they have a marker engraved A-Lab J on the spoke. Because the normal A-Lab don't have the race engraved and the A-Lab J engraved. This is on Gun Blue, sorry. This is on Gun Blue color. Wrapped in BF Goodrich KO2 tires. Next, we're going to install the Jimny style tail light. Okay. This is, you can choose the pattern on the signal light, whether it's blinking or sequential through this switch. There's a switch. And also, we're going to upgrade the fog lamp to LED. And also, we're going to install the side mirror LED. Original by Suzuki. Okay. This is the partial built. You can see the stands from behind. Gray on Gun Blue color. And also, we have two brand new GRS Hilux straight from dealership for full upgrade. On this one, right now, we just installed the AFE Momentum Cold Air Intake. ARB breather kit. It's a must, especially right now, we always have rain and flood. Electronic stepboard. Full exhaust system by HKS. 3-piece rail guard. 2 sets. Bosch Europa horn. And on this steering, check out this steering wheel. Body club. Carbon with leather, red stitch. So you can see the feel of the grip. Very nice. Complement with the seat belt strap red on it. Also, we replaced the fog lamp to brighter one LED. The client chooses, okay, I'll show you. This one, we're using the aftermarket LED already in same color as the factory white, but this is more brighter, I'll show you. Also, we installed already the ARB UVP. This is the after upgraded already. On the other side, this is still on everything. This is stock because we're waiting for the upgrade. We're going to do a full JAOS built on this unit. I'll just show you the stock fog lamp so that you can compare the brightness. Sorry, I forgot we already installed this one to aftermarket already. The white. And we also installed Hammer electronic roller lid on this unit. Before we installed the Hammer electronic roller lid, we installed the three-piece rail guard to protect. So now we're just waiting for the JAOS stepboard, JAOS nudge bar, JAOS UVP, Mitsuba horn, the suspension we're going to install tomorrow, and many more. Guys, stay tuned at PRS. Hope to see you here. And please subscribe and like my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. Oh, sorry, by the way, we're going to replace the original hood to carbon fiber also. And install Greedy Side Exit Limited Edition. Stay tuned always. Bye!